Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and today I'm planning the colour scheme for our latest project. So a vision board for me is a really great tool in getting everything that is in my head onto the one page. For me then, I've got this one page with everything from my head on that page that I can show builders, tilers, whoever's on site that needs it. So to start my vision board or create that vision board, usually the first thing I do is go to Pinterest. Another great place for inspiration is things like the Dulux Colour Forecast. It comes out every year and it gives you a really great idea of what's going to be on trend that year. So the team at Dulux create 3 beautiful palettes showing the latest colour trends that we'll see coming through in furniture, homewares and design. There's just so much beautiful imagery on the Dulux website. The Colour Forecast can give you a ton of ideas. So once I've got all my imagery, I then go and I pull 6 or 7 main images, like the key images that I want to use, and I either pop them in PowerPoint. You could also use Canva or you could pop it in a scrapbook. So once you've got that main vision board, the key images that you want for that vision board, we then break it up into rooms. So you'll have your bedroom, your bathroom, your master, and we call them baby boards. In those little baby boards, we then go into a little bit more detail. So we're adding paint colors, furniture items, styling items, any pendant lights, lighting, things like that. So we're pulling together that whole look. So within the Colour Forecast, they've got a palette called Grounded, and I'm loving it, like really, really loving it. And I've gained so much inspiration for this house, especially for the bedroom. There's a colour that I kind of want to use, I'm not sure yet, but it's in this like pancake world, and it's creamy and it's warm and it's beautiful. And this whole entire forecast has really given me a million ideas in regards to the exterior, the interior kind of feature walls, but also the whole entire internal colour of the house. So there you have it, guys. That's how I find my inspiration for my vision boards. Now I just have to bring those visions to life.